Good morning, students. Again, welcome back in KPS Gamaria YouTube channel. Students, in the previous class, we all have understood the concept of GP. Okay, how to find out the terms in GP. Now, in this video, we are going to start to find out the sum in GP. Clear? So here, see the concept first. Sum of first n term in GP. We will see the formula is Sn equals to A into 1 minus R to the power n divided by 1 minus R. This is the complete formula of finding sum of first n term where R is not equals to 1 and R is less than 1. Okay, so whenever the ratio, this common ratio is less than 1, we will use this formula. Okay, and second one is what? Sn equals to A into R to the power n minus 1 divided by R minus 1, where R is not equals to 1 and where R is what? Greater than 1. So whenever the ratio is greater than 1, we will use this formula to find out the sum in GP. So here with this all formula, we are going to solve one question here. Question is what? Question number 1 of exercise number 9.5 of your book. Okay, 9.5 of your book. The first question is what? Find the sum of 10 terms of GP 1 plus root 3 plus 3 plus till the end. So this is the series in GP. Now how will calculate the sum in these 10 terms? See what we are given. The first term is what? Given. First term, that is A, is 1. Common ratio that is R. R means what? Second term by first term, that is root 3. Understood? Now here this root 3 is greater than 1. Okay, so use the formula. Which one? This formula. Therefore sum of S10 term, S10 term what? Formula is what? A into R to the power n minus 1 by R minus 1. Put the value. First term is 1 into R is root 3 to the power 10 minus 1 by R is again root 3 minus 1. Now we will calculate to get the exact answer. 3 to the power 5 minus 1 whole divided by root 3 minus 1. See, 3 to the power root 3 is what? 1 by 2. So 10 by 2. So it's a 5 minus 1. We divide by this much. Okay. You just what? 5. That is equals to 243 minus 1 whole divided by root 3 minus 1. So 242 by root 3 minus 1. Now you rationalize it by multiplying root 3 plus. Okay, so it will be 242 into root 3 plus 1 whole divided by a minus b, a plus b. So a square minus b square. So it will be 3 minus 1. Okay, so 242 into root 3 plus 1 by 2, cancel it. So 1, 2, 1, root 3 plus 1. This is the final answer of this question. Okay, so this is the sum of this question. We will solve some more question here. Okay, now look at here. Question number 5, exercise number 9.5. Question is, if the sum of first 6 terms in GP is equal to 9 times the sum of the first 3 terms, then find common ratio of the GP. Okay, so in this question here, what? Sum of first 6 terms, that means S6 is equals to what? 9 times the sum of first 3 terms. So 9 into S3. Understood? According to question. This is according to question. Okay, so sum of first 6 term equals to formula, you know, A into R to the power 6 minus 1 by R minus 1. Isn't it? Then 9 into sum of first 3 term will be A into R to the power 3 minus 1 into R minus 1. Got it? Now you cancel these cancel, A cancel. So it would be R to the power, we can write R to the power 6 in this form, r to the power q to the power square minus 1 square equals to here 9 into it's a r cube minus 1. Okay, now the whole thing is a square minus b square. Formula is a plus b a minus b. So we'll write r to the power cube plus 1 r to the power cube minus 1 equals to 9 into r to the power cube minus 1. These again cancel. Therefore r to the power cube equals to 9 minus 1. It's a 8. So r to the power cube equals to 2 to the power cube. Now again cancel. Therefore r is 2. So common ratio equals to 2. This is the answer. Okay. Now the next question, number 18 of your exercise 9.5. Question is, find the sum of this series 1 plus 1 plus x plus 1 plus x square till nth term. Okay, where x is not equals to 0. Now here you can see in this series what we are given. Series we are given 1 plus r 1 plus x plus 1 plus x square plus 2 till nth term. Clear? Now here what we will do, we will just multiply the whole series with 1 minus x. Okay, now if you are multiplying, say if you are dividing by this whole with 1 minus x, we should also multiply it. So multiply 1 minus x with 1 plus again 1 minus x with 1 plus x, like that 1 minus x with 1 plus x square, so like that. Okay, to 2 nth term. Now 1 by 1 minus x. You might have question, why do you multiply or divide by 1 minus x? So that we can change this one into some formula. Now see here 1 minus x plus a minus b, a plus c. Formula what? A square minus b square. So 1 minus x square. Similarly here a minus b into a plus b into ab. So it would be a minus x a q minus b q. So 1 minus x q. So like that till nth term. Clear? Now 1 minus x into here we will just split this term into 1 here 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 till nth term. So n plus n into 1. So 1n minus, now minus x square minus x cube minus x4, like that. So it would be, take out minus common, so it would be what? x plus x square plus x cube plus 2 till nth term. So this way we will write the entire series. Now here we will write 1 by 1 minus x n minus, here you can see this series is in GP. I don't know how to calculate sum of in GP. So here first term formula is what? First term is x into 1 minus r to the power n. What is r? That is common ratio. X, r will be x. So x to the power n. Okay, whole divided by 1 minus x. This is the, okay. Now here 1 by 1 minus x. Take out LCM. LCM will be 1 minus x. It's a n into 1 minus x into 1 minus x to the power n. Okay, bring the side outside. So 1 by 1 minus x whole square. Okay, now you simplify it. Simplify it. It's a n into 1 minus x minus x into 1 minus x to the power n. This is the answer. You can leave the answer like this also. This is the complete simplification of this answer. So I hope you all have understood. In the same manner you will solve the rest question in your home. Till that, practice at home, do all the questions. We will meet again on the next day with another chapter. Till that, you just solve the questions at home, be at home, take rest. Thank you.